Hello, beautiful people. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. Do you want that excellent method for really adding dimension to your hair? This haircut today is that beautiful haircut that will really take many years of your age and is a low maintenance style that will always last for several days. One thing about the style, it really combines sleek sophistication with a dash of dairy look. So if you're really seeking for that hairstyles that really requires those minimal upkeep, this beautiful haircut is for you because it's really designed for women that are exuding self-assurance. One thing with the style is that it features that uniform, closely shaved length all over the hair, offering your hair that bold and clean aesthetic. You can say the style is really an epitome of low maintenance, freeing you from the daily hustle of styling. Its striking simplicity really makes a powerful statement, ensuring you stand out easily in the crowd. Just try to really elevate your look with this style because this is where playful really meets with practical. You can see how the style looks great for those with curly hair, and you can see how this haircut really makes this beautiful woman look so beautiful and sexy, and it can also be used as that protective ways to reduce friction and prevent all those coil pattern distortion during sleep. So one thing with the styles is that they are that particular hairstyle choice favored to their